Unpack the 3-piece rail system and place it on the floor. Save the header bracket kit for later in the installation. Leave the straight door arm and trolley taped inside the rail for the time being. This will help you with a more convenient and safe installation. Before proceeding, pull the rail connectors slightly beyond the end of the rail to make the rail connection process easier. Let the positioning marks on the connectors be your guide. Insert the rail section with the sprocket holder into one end of the rail center piece. Slide the connector over the rail until the positioning marks align with the joining line. Swing the rail section with the end bracket and trolley over and insert it into the connector. Lower the rail end to the floor. Belt will snap into place. Slide the connector over the rail until the positioning marks align with the joining line. Finally, flip the rail over and attach it to the operator by using the 2 brackets and 4 screws provided. Please refer to the owner's manual for additional installation instructions.